Today we discuss the our worksheet book. Okay, the first chapter time for this annual examination. First here look at here. This is multiple choice questions are there. Choose the correct answer. 30 minutes past 7 o'clock in the morning is written as 7:30 a.m. Okay, 7:30 in the morning is so it's 7:30 a.m. The number of days in a week is 7. The month that comes after October is November. The number of days in February is a normal year. That means 28 days. If it is a leap year, it becomes 29. Okay. Next is the fill in the blanks. A leap year has 366 days. Then seconds from an hour, that is 1 hour. 1 hour equals 60 minutes and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So 1 hour equals 60 into 6, that is 3600 seconds. That is, we have to write over here. The number of hours in a day is 24 hours. The last month of the year is December. 10 minutes equals dash seconds. That means 10 into 60. It is 600 seconds. Next question. Find the number of days between 18 January 2019 and 21 July 2019. Okay, first of all we have to count from January 18 to 31st. January has 31st days. So January 31 days minus this 18. Between, the question is in between 18 January starts. So we cannot take, there is no need to take 18th day. So 31 minus 18 we will get remaining days are 13 days. Then February has 28 days. Then next month March 31 days. April 30 days. Then March we have 31 days. June, next month June, sorry, April 31 days, May 30, April 30, May 31 days, and June we have 30 days. The last is July 21 days. Okay, so July 21. So you have to add this. You will get 184 days. Okay, this way you can find out the answer. Next is match the following four column. April. In the second column we have. So options are 365 days, 7 days, 1 minute, 30 days. Here April we can join with the 30 days. And then 60 seconds means 1 minute. Then an ordinary year we have 365 days. 1 week equals 7 days. Next is fill in the blanks. 220 minutes equals dash hours and dash minutes. That means 220 minutes we have divided by 60. Then you will get 3 hours 40 minutes. 48 hours equals dash days. Divided 48 by 24. You will get 2 days. The month which comes before December is November. The first day of the week is Sunday. Next question. Change 2 hours 35 minutes and 50 seconds to seconds. So first of all we have to change 2 hours 35 seconds minutes to minutes. Okay, 2 into 60 plus 35, that is 120 plus 30, you will get 155 minutes. Now we have to add this, change this 155 into seconds. 155 into 60 plus 50 minutes seconds. So you will get 9,350 seconds. Step by step you have to do the calculation. Next is addition of time. That means 4 data is given. We can draw columns. 8 hours 32 minutes 21 seconds, 6 hours 24 minutes 14 seconds, 9 hours 11 minutes 23 seconds, 2 hours 40 minutes and 30 seconds. First of all you have to add seconds column. Then you will get 88 seconds. Then minutes column 107 minutes. Then hours column. Now you have to change each seconds and minutes to hours. First of all 88 seconds will change into minutes. When we divide by 88 by 60 we will get 1 minute 28 seconds. That 1 minute must be added to next column. 107 minutes plus 1 minute we will get 108 minutes 28 seconds. Now you have to change this 108 seconds to hours. When we divided by this 100 we will get 1 hour 48 minutes 28 seconds. That is 1 hour should be added to this 23. 23 plus 1 24 hours 48 minutes 28 seconds. Okay, try to do the questions yourself. After then only you can do the questions in the examination also. Next to chapter of reflection, similarly there is no need for the examination, just to go through it. Now we have metric measures. This is another chapter for the annual examination. This conversion you should do yourself. I will send the answers for you. That is, convert each unit you have to convert a required unit. First of all, 7 hectometer into centimeter. So according to our that is measurement table, you have to change each question. I will send this answer. I have written the answers only here. You have to do yourself. Then only you will get practice. Okay. Next one, here is also metric measures: addition, subtraction, multiplication. All the 4 processes are there. 4 fundamental questions. Here is also try yourself. Then it's simple addition, subtraction, multiplication as we have done in the textbook itself. This also I am giving as homework. Try yourself and send me the answers. Okay, next is geometry, angles. You have to use your protractor to measure this each angle and write answer over here. Question is, I have just to measure and find out, but you have to try yourself. First angle is 90 degree, this one is 60, and third one is 140. Check your answers. Okay, then fourth one is 30 degree, and fifth one is 170. I got it. Try yourself and is it correct or not. Then next is according to the measurement, you have to write which of the this measurement is belongs to acute, right, or obtuse. First one measurement is 40 is given, so it is an acute angle. Next one 130 is given, so it is an obtuse angle. Then this is 90, so this angle is right angle. This is the measurement of the fourth one is 190, that means straight angle. You have to write only the name of this chapter. Next we have to discuss perimeter, area and volume. Okay, choose the correct answer. Here is also answers are given. You have to find the correct answer. Area of a rectangular cardboard of length 8 cm and breadth 4 cm. That means area of a rectangle equals L into B. That is 8 into 4. That is 32 square centimeter square centimeter. Answer is given here. The perimeter of a square tile is 10 cm. The perimeter of a square tile of side 10 cm. So square, it is a square tile. So one side is given. Perimeter means 4 into side. That means 4 into 10. You will get 40 centimeter will be the perimeter. The side of a cubical tank whose volume is 125 cubic centimeter is, that is centimeter cube, is dash. That is, you have to find one side. That is, you have to, the side into side into side is 125. That means we know that 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So that means you have to take the cube root. That means one side of this cubical, that means cubical tank is 5 centimeter. The volume of a biscuit is 6 centimeter by 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter. That means 6 into 4 into 2. The length into breadth into height. It is 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 2, 48 centimeter cube. That is 48 cubical centimeter. Then fill in the blanks. The length of a cuboid whose volume is 66 centimeter cube, height is 11, breadth is 2. What we have to find? Length. You know this length equals volume by height into breadth. That is 66 by 11 into 2. Is when we divide by 66 by 11, you will get 6. 6 divided by 2 you will get 3. So answer is 3 centimeter. The maximum volume of a maximum number of ice cubes in of size 7 centimeter that can be packed in the box of 35 centimeter into 14 centimeter 21. So you have to find out number of cubes can be packed in that box. Okay, 35 into 14 into 21. That is the measurement of the box. So you have to fill in the box with the cube of side 7 centimeters. 7 into 7 into 7. So we can divide 35 by 5. 7, 14 we will get 2. Here is 1. 7 into 21. Means 7 to 3 is 21. That is 5 into 2 into 3. 5 into 2 into 3. That is 10 into 3. 30 number of ice cubes can be packed in that measurement. That is 30 is the answer. That means I will do the calculation over here. 35 into 14 into 21 by 7 into 7 into 7. You have to divide and small divisions. You can easily find the answer. The perimeter of the figure, this is a triangle. Perimeter of the figure given along its side. That means perimeter of a triangle is sum of 3 sides. 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 centimeter. If the area of a square building is 144, find its perimeter. This area of a square building is area equals side into side. That is given as 144. So one side equals 144 means 12 into 12. So we can find out that one side equals 12 centimeter. Okay, so perimeter equals 4 into 12, that is 48 centimeter will be the perimeter. That is 48 centimeter. Now here is given the area of a ground is 720 square centimeter. If the breadth of the ground is 20 centimeter, find its length. So length equals area by breadth. It is 720 divided by 20. So each 0 can be cancelled. 72 by 2 will get 36 meter. It is 6 meter. Okay. And there is no need to do this. If you are interested, you can just go through. This is not for the examination. Just to count and write the area. You have to count how much is here. 1, 2, 3. Give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Here is 2 half, that is 31 plus half 1, 32. So 32 centimeter square will be the area of this shape. Just like you can find the remaining also, but this is not for the examination. Just try yourself. And this from the mapping skill is also not for the examination, this chapter. Just go through it. Okay, thank you. We will wind up the today's class. Study well. Try to take full marks for the examination. All the best.